2 days ago. And when we reach here, it's in and out. Can I hear me? When I hear me? That freeze, it freeze? It's freezing. Somebody give it a hotspot. So kind of see it because over there the internet now really good here. So yeah, I hear now. Okay, so we'll land here the 14 and thing, and from land, you know, and thing and reach the hotel and stuff and really. So I get some rest and what I do, you know. Just get some rest. If a boy feel like a pain, cramp here and there, cramp here and there, but it a come and a go away, and a come and a go away, and thing. So yesterday, which yesterday is 15.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat and this can't see, on the screen, one Kizzy done and Kiprich had their baby early, my people. This is why they're asking for prayers. This is my say. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because a lot of people is trying to ask Miss Chin, what is her Obeah man number? This is my say, because you know she's been going, you know, Miss Chin do it, you know, every time Kiprich find a woman, she come out and rah. You see my say, and you know, the last couple of days, she say, you know, Kiprich try to unalive her and all of these things. You know what I mean? I know, we see what happened to Kiprich them know. So a lot of people is trying to attribute, you know, the stress upon Kizzy because I'm first baby mother, or one of them baby mother. Them see my say, boy. But, you know, Kizzy was doing a lot of running up and down. The people them also were saying. But enough of me talking, just don't want to give him some background work. One, if you're new to the series, you know what I mean? Yeah, I think she's like 6 months, you see my say. So that's why they're really, you know, scared, you know. Right, so let's hear what I want for that to go on and proceed with the next.
The 15, yesterday we it come on, like the pain come on more, you know, panar and thing already. So we end up call vehicle and rush come at the hospital, the nearest hospital. So right now we're at the hospital. You know, we're at the hospital right now. In San Andres, yeah, so. Alright, let me get to it. What I tell you, so we need prayers. I mean, most of them never know how far she reached in her pregnancy, you know. So she reached 6 months and like 6 months and maybe like week and something, like, so almost 6 months and thing, 24 weeks I've got and thing. So what happened is, when we reach at the hospital, and you know, me ask the people like, yo, what's happening with her and stuff and thing, and the lady say she feeling labor pain. She said, the lady asked me, the nurse asked me how far she is. I say she's 6 months and thing, and she said 6 months, but the baby like ready to come. I said, that possible? She said, yeah, the baby ready to come, you know, but I mean, you know, she's saying, boy, it's a bit too early still, but the baby ready to come, you know. So what happened is, them tell me, say, alright, what am I gonna try to do? Them I give her them put her upon some IV, them say them I give her some antibiotic in the IV and try keeping the baby for at least 3 more weeks, for, you know, just to get the lungs a bit more developed. And she said, worst case, she'll get an injection with strengthen the lungs of the baby and thing. So she give her that injection there in case. Alright, so when them you know them have her there, them say the pain still a come on like contractions behind contractions. I come on, see me. And nurse I said to me, say, yo, this baby going come, you know, this baby going come, you know, this baby going come premature. I mean, I said, please, you know, just try your best and try everything on you can do for just keeping the baby, because I want that lungs thing that develop a bit more. She said to me, say, listen me, you see, based on our cervix now, because when she just reached it rapidly got to like 7 centimeter. Then she tell me, say, it reach 10 centimeter, and so when it reach 10, you know, a time that for baby come and thing. So I said, you know, what can happen? She said, boy, them I do everything in them power and thing. Them go for the best of the best people, them and them have them around and thing. Really. So long and short of it, she end up have the baby before morning, about after 2 before morning. Yeah. So the baby is here. She have the baby and thing. But I will need this prayer now, people, because you know premature seeing, and them say like normally 7 months is okay because you know the lungs already develop and all that kind of thing there. But you know at 6 months and a bit over, you know, them have to do work. When the baby came out, the baby even do a little one like cry out and thing and really, you know, sure say alright, yeah. The lungs are farm up and thing and really. So you know say them have to do everything what them can, and trust me, when them say them go for the best of the best people them and have them around the baby. So the baby now in the incubator in the room. In the incubator right now, you know. Me check on her, and then Babes go check on her. Babes see her after me and thing. So you know the nurse my beg we say, boy, just get every prayer one you can get, and you know because who wasn't going to even come and share this kind of vibe, you know, and thing, you know, was just going to hold it out and you know and just go and pray for the best and thing. But you know, we try to not hide nothing from Uno and them thing there, and we already, you know, have Uno, you know, so we just I just wish we can reach out and ask for prayers. Them say the baby on a 72-hour watch where, because this island, San Andres, we're on San Andres right now, and San Andres, they don't have all the equipment them were needed, you know, for keep you know, like babies like that were so young, keep them going right through and stuff. So there's a place called Barranquilla, where them have better doctors and stuff over that side. I wouldn't say better doctors, but more facility, you know, to accommodate, you know, this kind of situation. So the 72-hour watch where she on now, them say when that 72-hour come, which may be about Monday or so, we might have a yearly for ambulance, air ambulance from here so to over Barranquilla. Yeah, just sorry the people, but you know, tough. Yeah, Barranquilla, you know. People was a big one for, you know, some prayers and them thing there. A big one, some prayers and them thing that people that beg you now, please. Please. You know, I mean, I don't know where this mean to we, like, you know, this little girl, where she there already. She there. It's just so we keep her here, you know. So we just need the prayers, them. We need the prayers, them. We need the prayers, them. Right now we are trying to reach out to over here, so them try to reach out to even Jamaica embassy and all of them kind of thing there, because you know they're gonna try to get some urgent thing.
You said they can't verify what it is, if the doctor approved it.
Yeah, so
Whereas the doctor approved it, you can't verify, but you must approve it after 72 hours.
after the 72 hours, so we get some paper here and all them things there. But we have to fill out these forms and everything. Pardon the talking, you know, some people step in. So, them a visit the lady here, so. Yeah, just pardon it. Them come visit them family, so them a pack for leave, so the talking soon finish.
Kiprich, they're taking out animals. They're taking animals downstairs. Only the patient can stay. That's why the security lady. You see
security?
The lady, she's the security.
Yeah.
You see them there helping everybody.
Oh.
Well, you got it that you can call down there, I don't know who.
No, I would have to get him. I'd have to, but I'll contact him still.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you though. Thanks for the
No man,
hotspot.
she can keep connect on it because
Yeah.
my wife's staying there.
Yeah,
So she can keep chatting.
connected. Yes.
She can keep connected.
Yes.
So you can keep connected because she will stay right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because what's happening now, we're doing a live, you know, on the TikTok. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah. So the lady who stay at the next bed.
Yeah, you know, but congratulations still. You see myself, but to keep on the prayers up. You see it. People don't forget to always subscribe to my other channel, them to keep up what I go on for that to go on, you see me? Especially the one you see in front of you there, cause Bounty Killer just get slapped with that lawsuit. You know, from Mr. Vegas, and you know, we're doing the market updates and the rest of the bag up. You see myself, I'm just giving you a quick update what I go on for that go on, you see me? Bless.